Let's go! Alright guys, so in today's video, this is what we're doing. No, we are not threading or knitting, whatever you guys want to call it, but we are going to learn how to tie braid to floral together. I'm going to use this. The green is my braid. Yellow, or whatever color, gold I guess this is. That's going to represent my floral or mono, whatever you want to consider. But braid, floral. Got it? Good. So let's get started. A lot of you guys have been asking me about how and what knot do I use to tie my braid to floral, right? And here it is. The ultimate truth behind everything that matters when you're out there fishing, right? That saves your butt, basically. Sorry, my hand's a little crusty because I just got done cleaning some fish, so don't mind that. I know they're outdoor hands, right? Those of you won't know if you don't do outdoor stuff, but regardless, this is what we're talking about right here. This video, this tying, this knot is really simple, and I can't wait to show you guys because this is the ultimate, the trustworthy knot that I use. It is called, and sorry for my accent, it is called the Alberto knot. There's a lot of good knots out there, but in my opinion, this one is the fastest, the most efficient, easiest to tie, easiest to remember, and I trust this knot a lot because honestly I haven't broke off of it, and if you do, that means you tied it wrong. That goes with all knots out there, okay? If it does break off, if something happens, it is because you did it wrong, and you know, shit happens like we always say, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie this first and show you guys how it looks, and then the second time around we're gonna go ahead and do a step-by-step together. Got it? Good. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and tie it. Again, I apologize, I'm tying through the screen here, so it's gonna be a little weird. I'm trying to keep myself in frame here. I'm trying my best to stay in frame. Go. This will go in here. Oh, see, I missed because I'm watching the frame. Make sure I don't. Okay, here we go. And normally I will like lick this part right here, so it gives a little loop. That way it can like cinch better. But today it's okay. We're just gonna teach you guys how to tie it. All right, boom. You see that? Nice and tight. It's cinched together. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this tail off. Cut it as close as you want. Cut this tail off. Here we go. Nice and tight knot that you can do from braid to floral, braid to mono, whatever. So that is the knot right there. Again, obviously, the thread here is a lot thicker. It's not going to look as clunky and weird like that. But this is the idea to teach you guys how to tie this knot. And this is the knot that I use for white bass, walleye, largemouth, smallmouth, whatever. So here we go. So let's go ahead and walk through together how to tie this knot. As you guys can see, it was really simple. So let's do it. Green is for braid. Yellow is for floral or mono, whatever you want. And we're going to go ahead and tie this together, okay? Hopefully it stays in focus when I do this. So first, you always want the braid to go into the floral, okay? Floral mono, again, floral mono. Braid goes into the floral. What you want to do with the floral is you want to make a loop, okay? Make a loop just like that. All right, let's make it a little longer, that way it's easier for you guys to see. Here we go. This braid will go into the floral, all right? Again, I apologize if I missed because I'm watching in frame here. Okay, give yourself a little tail there, so it's inside the floral, okay? It's inside the eye there. Make sure you keep this pinch. Now what you want to do, you want to pinch this part right here. All right, pinch that, and these fingers right here, they come in handy, okay? You want to twist this. Let's make it a little longer. Sorry, there he goes. Now take this guy. You want to twist it around the loop, okay? Remember to keep this pinch. Twist it around like 5, 6, 7 times. It doesn't matter. In this case, I'm just gonna do it like a couple of times because I can't really see right now. But all right, so it's gonna look like a candy cane, right? You see that? Like a little swirl there. Now, what you want to do is you want to pinch this part. You want to go back and twist it along the other twist. It's gonna go around and around until you get back to this loop right here. All right. Take this guy, go inside the hole here, back in. Again, lick this whole section here. Lick it, and then you want to just pull, and it should cinch together. Boom. Okay. And again, like I said, yarn is not the best way to cinch, but it will cinch when you use braid and floral. So it's gonna look something like that, and we're gonna do it again. Make your eye here. Braid goes into the floral, okay, or mono, whatever you want to call it. It goes in. All right, just like that. Give yourself some room. Make sure to pinch this part right here, okay, where the braid enters the floral. Pinch it, and start your looping like this, okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Normally I would do 7 times down and 5 times back up, okay. I don't know why, that's just my lucky number. So pinch this end here, and you want to do it back up, okay. You want to go back up to the eye here. So just take your tail, just loop it. 1, 2, then we'll just do it 3 times, okay. 3. All right, so we made it back up to the eye. Take your yarn, push it through that eye right there. And before you cinch this, make sure you lick it. Give it a little, like, loop. That way when you cinch it, it doesn't burn on each other, it doesn't rub. But if you do it correctly, it should be nice and flush, just like that, okay? You guys see that? So take your 2 tails and just pull it tight. Again, with the yarn, it is a little clunky, so it's gonna look bigger, but I promise you, if you do it with the braid, like 8, 10, or whatever pound test braid you want to use against a floral, it's gonna look really nice. Here we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut this tab here. Cut it as close as you want, and it won't break on you. And this is how you tie the Alberto knot. Pretty cool, right? Easy, simple, it's quick. Do a couple more times by yourself, and I promise you, you get the hang of it. It's really easy, really strong. It casts through the guides really well. So yeah, there you go. Hope you guys learned something today, and yeah, fish on.